Our stories both began in the 1950s, thousands of miles apart. Since then, we've worked towards shared goals. We've set new product standards, built highly skilled teams, and delivered value for our customers. These mutual attitudes have defined the last 70 years. Now, we must look to the future, to build a global company that thinks local. We must remain ambitious and united, strong and sustainable. Today, our stories join as we become Texmo Blank. Our future is combined expertise, connected infrastructures, and global centers of excellence. We will join our capabilities, share our innovations, and unite our people. We are Texmo Blank, and we are better together.